Hi friends, welcome to Electric Gadget YouTube channel. I am going to show you in this video how to change the new fan motor. Shall we go to the video now? Friends, this fan is remote control fan. A remote control fan have a digital display. This display indicate everything of this function from fan motor. And remote control fan have electronic button set. This one have not manual button set. This one electronic button set. And different fan motor are there. This fan motor is not a manual fan motor. This fan motor have extra motor in the connect to the this wiring and sweeping fan motor sweep are there in this motor running. And this one is a main motor. This motor have some uh, same to the sliding lever also connect to the another fan motor. But now I am going to change this motor from manual fan motor. This fan motor is burned. I will bring new one, change to this remote control fan. To I am going to change manual fan motor from this remote control fan. Shall we do it? Now I am going to remove this fan motor. Unscrew the old screws and remove this cover. Remove the sliding lever also. Now you can sweep the motor. This place have some lock screw. You should unscrew also. Now you can open to motor this one. Now connection we want to remove cut. All connection are there in this wire. Speed 1, 2, 3 and sweep the motor. Now I am going to cut this wire set. Burn motor. This is a new fan motor. This one is a manual fan motor, not into the remote control fan motor. This one have to all function are there manual. Wiring connection I am going to now connect to here. Now we want to search the what is the wire connection speed 1, 2, 3 sweep or neutral line also we should know about that. I am going to open this cover and Friends, this is a PCB in this remote control fan motor. Every remote control fan motor have PCB. This PCB is and multiplication system control are there. This IC also use about that system. Mm, I will explain you this wire. What is the wire now? This one is main two of main wire, neutral and base or line. This one is neutral, this one is line. uh, uh, this two line is input to the PCB, and thereafter PCB output are there. This one is that output, speed 1 2 3 like that, and this one is sweep. This one is neutral output. Every PCB and neutral output separately going. This one is neutral output. Then we want to search about that. You can use the multimeter. If not the color code there, then color you can also can use select the wire. You see, this one is speed 1, then blue color is speed 1, then here number 2. Can you see? Number 2. Then number 2 is white. This is a white. Number 2. Red. Number 3. Red. Red wire is number 3. This is a red wire. And this one is sweep the motor, sweep wire, sweeping wire. Ash color sweeping wire. This is a ash color. And this one is earth wire. Tripping position for earth wire. This one is another black also. PCB neutral output. This one, this neutral, main neutral input to the PCB. This one is main line or base. This one input to the main PCB, and this one is a neutral output, neutral main output. This one also base output, 1 2 3 speed, and sweep the motor. Now we can connect to the new motor like this. Now I am going to show you this fan motor. This fan motor is, friends, this fan is a China brand, China fan motor. Every China brand wiring are there. This system, black neutral. Another one also like this, red speed 3, white speed 2, blue speed 1. Now we can connect to this system. Lock this screw like this. Now can't put out. This wire tool on, no, we can use also this one. This wire we can remove it and connect to this one. This is a neutral, main neutral, PCB neutral output. Friends, this one is a sweep line. We no need to use this one because this manual fan motor have no like this motor. Then we no need to use. If you want, you can use the soldering also. Take about and you can soldering this place, this joint you can soldering. Now I am tape to insulation, and I should want to test. Now I am going to give the power. This one also closed. You want to close insulation tape. I gave the power now. Display sound also came. Display indicator low, again push, medium, again push, high. Now this one use fan motor. One day I will bring a valuable video like this. I am Amal Senaratna. Have a nice day.